Welcome to Embrace Your Mind. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of trees. From their ancient roots to their incredible diversity, trees are more than just plants. They're essential to life on Earth. Let's explore 20 intriguing facts about these majestic beings. Did you know that the world's oldest tree is a Great Basin bristlecone pine named Methuselah? It's over 4,800 years old, located in the White Mountains of California. The dragon's blood tree, found on Socotra Island, gets its name from its bright red sap, which has been used for medicine, dye, and incense for centuries. Bristlecone pines are not only ancient, but they survive in some of the harshest environments, thriving at altitudes of over 10,000 feet with freezing temperatures and rocky soils. Trees can cool cities by up to 7 degrees Celsius through shade and releasing water vapor, making urban green spaces crucial for combating heat waves. A single mature oak tree can support over 500 different species of insects, birds, and mammals, making it a biodiversity hotspot. In Scotland, the Fortingall yew is estimated to be between 2,000 and 5,000 years old. And local legends suggest Pontius Pilate was born beneath its branches. Trees release chemicals called phytoncides, which have been found to boost the human immune system when inhaled during forest walks. The rainbow eucalyptus tree naturally sheds its bark, revealing vibrant streaks of green, blue, purple, and orange underneath, creating a stunning, colorful trunk. In Africa, the umbrella-shaped acacia tree has evolved mutual protection with ants that attack herbivores trying to eat its leaves. Pine cones can close their scales in wet conditions to protect their seeds and open when it's dry to release them. In India, living root bridges are formed by training the aerial roots of rubber fig trees to grow across rivers, creating natural, living structures. Trees can absorb noise pollution. Dense forests and tree belts near highways reduce noise levels by acting as sound barriers. Some trees, like the cannonball tree, produce large, spherical fruits that can weigh up to 10 pounds and fall with force, making them dangerous to stand under. The African baobab tree can live over 100 years, and when it dies, it appears to simply collapse from the inside out as if it disintegrates into dust. The sandalwood tree is semi-parasitic, drawing water and nutrients from the roots of other plants during its early growth stages. The Socotra desert rose has a trunk that swells to store water, and its unique, alien-like appearance makes it look like something from another planet. The Japanese cherry blossom tree, or sakura, blooms spectacularly for just a few weeks, symbolizing the fleeting nature of life in Japanese culture. Mangrove trees can grow in salty coastal waters and have special roots that stick out of the water to breathe, helping prevent coastal erosion. Trees are natural carbon sinks. An average mature tree absorbs around 48 pounds of carbon dioxide every year, helping to combat climate change. The silk cotton tree produces lightweight, fluffy fibers used to stuff pillows, mattresses, and life jackets due to their buoyant properties. Some species of fig trees rely on specific fig wasps for pollination, and both species are so interdependent that neither can survive without the other. Palm trees are technically grasses and not true trees, and their structure allows them to bend and withstand hurricane-force winds. In Lebanon, the famous cedars of God are ancient trees mentioned in the Bible, revered for their strength and longevity. The monkey puzzle tree, native to Chile, is so ancient that it existed alongside dinosaurs, and its sharp, spiky leaves are a defense mechanism against herbivores. The giant Rafflesia flower, which grows in tropical forests and has no leaves or stems of its own, uses the roots of host trees for nutrients and can weigh up to 15 pounds. In temperate forests, deciduous trees shed their leaves in autumn, not just for cold protection, but to conserve water during months when liquid water is less available. In Costa Rica, the strangler fig starts as a seed dropped high in another tree's branches. Over time, it grows downward and around its host, eventually suffocating it. Trees can even influence rainfall. Large forests release moisture into the air, which can travel and fall as rain hundreds of miles away, impacting weather patterns. Trees communicate with each other through an underground network of fungi called mycorrhizal networks. This wood wide web allows them to share nutrients and information. The General Sherman tree in California's Sequoia National Park is the largest tree by volume on Earth. It weighs about 2.7 million pounds. Certain trees, like the baobab tree in Africa, can store up to 32,000 gallons of water in their trunks to endure long periods of drought. The Amazon rainforest produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen supply, thanks to its vast array of trees and vegetation. Trees can talk to each other through chemical signals. When under attack by insects, some trees release airborne chemicals to warn neighboring trees to prepare their defenses. The quaking aspen holds the title for being the largest living organism on Earth, with a single root system covering over 100 acres. The world's tallest tree, a coast redwood named Hyperion, stands at a staggering 379 feet tall in California's Redwood National Park. The study of tree rings, dendrochronology, can reveal climate patterns and environmental changes spanning hundreds or even thousands of years. The scent of pine trees is known to have a calming effect on humans, reducing stress and anxiety levels. The kapok tree in the Amazon rainforest has thorns that are home to ants. In return for shelter, the ants protect the tree from herbivores. The banyan tree is revered in many cultures for its expansive growth. One tree in India covers over 3.5 acres. The rubber tree, native to the Amazon rainforest, produces latex, the primary source of natural rubber used worldwide. Trees can hibernate. Some species, like the Alaska cedar, enter a state of dormancy during harsh winters to conserve energy. Eucalyptus trees are known for their fast growth and ability to absorb large amounts of water, making them useful in combating soil erosion. The oldest living tree in Europe is a Bosnian pine named Adonis, estimated to be over 1,075 years old, found in Greece. In Japanese culture, Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, is a practice of immersing oneself in the forest atmosphere for health benefits. Trees can recognize their offspring. Some species, like the black walnut, release chemicals to inhibit the growth of nearby competing plants. The woodpecker finch, found in the Galapagos Islands, uses twigs and cactus spines to extract insects from trees, showing incredible tool use behavior. Certain trees, like the Joshua tree in the Mojave Desert, have adapted to survive in extreme desert conditions by storing water in their succulent leaves. Thank you for exploring these amazing facts about trees with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and embrace the wonder of nature. Until next time.